I want to get down there. In today's video, I'm going to be using a hot dog. And I don't know, that was a wacky rig. I'm going to be using a hot dog and literally just going to be casting near swells and just letting it drop, and I promise you I'll catch one. It should be really easy. I just got to wait for some swells to start swelling. I just need to wait for the fish to start swelling, and then I'll catch one. Might take a second, but I'm using a little wacky rig hook right now. Yeah, bluegill just swelled. For nothing big. Gotta make sure my drag's set. Okay guys, I'm seeing a lot of what I believe is bass come up to the top and just eating, so I'm just gonna go ahead and... Yep, here we go guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah guys. Oh dang, oh! Oh, that's a big one, that's a big one. Stop, move Rocky, move! That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Oh, 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 Yep, that's the one I caught. That's got a hook mark in him. Oh, yes. Oh, that's 6 pounds. Oh my God. Guys. I mean, hey, no. Sorry, oh my God. Dude, I mean like guys. Millie, what's wrong? Millie, stop. Stop, Millie. Millie, stop. You're hooked. You're stopped. Stop, Millie. Millie. My idiot dog got hooked. Stop. Hold on, guys. Millie, no! Millie, stop! Goodness. You alright? Oh. Hold on, I gotta get this fish back in the water. Millie. Oh gosh, you're a lifesaver. Okay, I'm gonna bring her back up to the house. I'll be back down here.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Yeah, that's all good.
Oh, here we go, guys. It's another one. That's a bass. On the brand new setup, first fish on it. 20 bucks on this huge pole. I mean, on this huge deal. It's a bass, I think. It's fighting like a bass. I believe it's a bass. Oh, it's something big. Oh, it is a bass. It is a bass. Okay, okay. Oh, no, it's not. It's a cat. Well, sack nut. Get down here and grab him. He would chill his ball sack.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
You guys want to let him go? This guy needs to get back in the water. Oh, goodness. Thankfully, he's fine. I gotta make sure my drag's set because this thing has been acting up with drag. It's fine, we're good. Okay guys, we can go ahead and set the hook. This was the big piece hot dog, so I have high hopes. It actually feels quite small. Oh, it's a bass. Where's that one? You got a terrible one? Oh, well, you can use the... Okay guys, you see this? This is not my hook. It was just in this fish's mouth. Okay, got my hook out. Alright guys, he's kind of hurt. He's bleeding quite a bit, and he is biting me a lot. He is not happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw him back. He's definitely a nice one. Okay guys. Oh, literally 2 rods were on at the same time. One of them just let go. I want to set the hook kind of quick because I don't want fish swallowing the hook. I've already said that. Hope it's not a cat. I think it's a bass. It is. Nice, guys. It's definitely a good thing. It's nice. Alright. Definitely glad I can get another bass. Get the hook out. Perfect hook set. Easy to get out. And perfect to just keep him on. This bass is kind of, I mean, he's like probably 2 pounds. I'd say, yeah, he's probably like just 2. Barely 2. He's pretty small. But still, I can't be mad about this kind of fish, you know what I mean? Because, like, a fish is a fish. So I can't be mad about that. It's quick and easy release. He's been caught before. I can see it. Oh gosh. Fish like that, when they're feeding on small bait fish or when they're feeding on the bottom, have very sharp gripper teeth. And my thumb is like tore up. It's already bled twice today. Like, not like bled, but like if you get a finger prick, like, you know what I mean. You're not gonna want your fish, you're not gonna want to let your fish run too long. So I'm gonna set the hook fast because you don't want it to drop it, but you also don't want it to swallow the hook, because unless you're eating them, you're just doing catch and release. You're probably gonna want to not let it do that. Yep, this is something way bigger. Oh goodness. Oh God. I bet it's a cat, but if it's not a cat, it's definitely a massive bass. And the reason I don't sound so excited is because it's circling like a catfish. And as I've said before, I don't like catching catfish. And what do you know? I got a catfish on the line. So I want to get my scissors out. I'm just kidding. But for real, catfish are so annoying because getting the hook out of these things is so dumb. And now he's getting tangled with my other line. Oh, it's just all a big mess because of this one stupid catfish. Had to get in the way. Go. Catfish can be really stupid sometimes, guys. I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you that much.